So this is our client record book for lash artists. It's phenomenal. It's beautiful. Okay, so basically all of these tabs are hyperlinked for you so that you can input all the details for your clients, all right? As well as your company name. You can write it in, you can type it in, whatever you like. Right now I'm on Notable, but you can use your note-taking app of choice. So let's check it out. So let's say that I am going to be doing lashes for, let's do Taylor Swift's lashes, okay? So we need to go to S. Now, what's going to come up on S is going to be a nice index page so that you can easily find your clients and list them. You get up to 26 clients, which is freaking phenomenal. I like to write better than I like to type on Notable, so I'm going to go ahead and do what I want to do. And I'm going to write in Taylor Swift. Okay, so Taylor Swift is now my first client in S. So now I am going to actually click Taylor Swift's tab. And now Taylor Swift gets her own record. So as you can see, we've got a client record. We've got name, date of birth, phone, email, address, emergency contact phone. That's phone for the emergency contact. It's not phone twice. We've got medical and lash history, conditions, allergies, medication. Do they wear glasses, lenses? Was there an eye injury, eye irritation? Do they have a curl, a perm, or a tint? And what is their previous eyelash extension history? This is great for you for notes. And then the lash design, which you can easily update this. So you just, you can actually watch me in a second erase and like update, but because you really don't need like a full record where you're, you know, looking at what you did 6 months ago with them, right? So essentially what we'll do is we'll put in the eye shape, the eye thickness, lash thickness and everything else. And here's where you can actually put your design that you used and any notes that you have, okay? So let's get writing. So let's put in Taylor Swift's information. I'm not a Taylor Swift fan, so I'm gonna make up stuff. I'm gonna try my best. All right. So her name is Taylor Swift. Her date of birth, we're gonna say, I think she's younger than me by a little bit. We'll say her date of birth is 3/13. We'll say 92. I have no idea. Her phone number, we'll just put like, you know, a fake phone number. Okay, email is, we'll do Big Tay at gmail.com. Her address, we'll say 1234 Hollywood Drive. Okay. We'll say her emergency contact. We'll just put, you know, we'll put, gosh, Justin Bieber. I don't even think they're friends because of his ex, but that's okay. And then Justin Bieber's number is another number. I should have put an LA number, huh? 824-6434. Medical conditions, none. Allergies, none. Medications, none. Let's just say she has lenses. I have no idea if she has lenses, really. We'll say that she has a tint and no previous eyelash extension history, okay? So nice Big Tay. So now let's go over here and we can say that she has a round eye. I have no idea, by the way. You know, and then you're just gonna fill in the rest for yourself, okay? And then you can start, you know, putting in the details here. You can literally input your numbers, right? So again, I'm a designer, guys. I don't know what I'm doing, okay? But yeah, you can input your details for the lash mapping here. And any notes. Wow. She sings great. You know, broke up with boyfriend. Maybe I want to remember this, like, so I can follow up with her in the next week about it, you know? But now I've got this nice permanent, you know, these details about Taylor that I can actually go back. So when I go back to S, or even to the beginning, right? So let's say that I want to go back to A. Okay. So right before A is the Lash record book. Now we're back home, which we can close our book. We're good, right? So use this, it's amazing.